Well, what are you going to do about this stock?
I'm keeping it. I'm going down with the ship.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. I'm going to make a quick video here on SoundHound AI. Sound stock sitting at 23.48. Red on the day. It's Friday, so it's a sell-off. The question is this sell-off the beginning of the top, or is this sell-off? Is this just people taking profits on a Friday, and then Monday we rebound and we go higher? I still have the same price target. I still believe in the future this will be worth $100. Nvidia's not invested in this for nothing. They haven't sold either. They did not invest to just hold it, just to flip it for, well, if they flipped it, they'd make like a ridiculous amount, like 1,000+% in return, but they're not here for a flip. They see potential in this one beyond just $23, beyond just $25. AI is the future. Quantum computing is the future. We're going to have humanoid robots. We're going to be able to communicate them through voice. As of right now, the price action today looks ugly. A lot of people have been messaging me saying, oh my God, what's going on, Shades? Oh no, it's the end of the world. One red day. Oh no. Relax, people. It's Friday. People are going to take profits. Now, moving forward, if we do break next week, what I would look out for is $25. We teased it. If we break 25, we're going to 30 next. This literally keeps happening. If we break 20, we go to 25. If we break 15, we go to 20. It's a cycle at this point. If we keep breaking out like this, we're just going to keep moving up 30, 40, 50, and eventually, I don't know. It could literally move like Panther and just go to 80 at some point. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. I think long term, if you give it some years, sure. But as of right now, I would just keep taking advantage of these pumps that keep happening on every single breakout. So look out for 25 and above for a breakout. Please have a strategy if you're day trading it. If you're a long-term investor, continue to hold. And if you want to average up, sure. But if you're going to day trade it, please have a strategy. Because some people just sent me messages saying, oh, I bought so-and-so stock and it went down. Well, you should have had a stop loss and you'd be fine, right? Like, so what are you talking about? Like, I'm assuming you have a strategy. You're not just blindly throwing money around and hoping. That's not a strategy. Longs don't care. They're already in the green. But I would be very careful, because if this is the start of the top, then we're going to come down nice and cheap for SoundHound, and then that's when you want to start buying in. You want to start buying in if it gets real cheap. But if it breaks out, we're going to 30. 30 is next. It's on you as to what you want to do if you're long. If you want to continue to hold, or maybe take some off the table, or maybe take your initial investment out and ride for free. Up to you, because I know I talked about this one back when Nvidia announced the initial investment. So if you've been holding from $2, $4, or even $8, you're up quite a bit. Up to you how you want to play it. Up to you. But this one, I think, will hit 100. Got to give it time, though. I'm not saying it's going to explode tomorrow to 100. It's going to take years, in my opinion. Next week is probably going to be the most important week, because it's going to decide whether the hype has finally died on these quantum computing AI stocks, or if it's just, again, it's just a sell-off and we're going to continue. At some point, it dies off. We don't know when that is. That's what's so interesting about the markets. Overall, I'm still bullish on it. Relax, people. It's just a red day. I don't know why people get all scared on one red day. You should be scared when we start getting a lot of red days. And big -20%, 30% red days. That's when you need to get scared. One last thing before I go is Nvidia stock. Nvidia stock has failed to create a new high since November 7th of this year. That's not good. That's a warning sign of an impending bear market. I'm not saying we're going into a bear market. I'm just saying this is a warning shot here. This is a boogie 2988. Like, watch out. I'm going to take a shot in the sky in a school zone. Okay? Like, you got to, this is a warning shot here. The fact that Nvidia is struggling to create higher highs. A bull run is marked by a stock like Nvidia constantly going higher and higher. The fact that it's struggling, and it's been doing so since November 7th, that's a warning shot of a potential bear market. The last time we had a bear market was 2022, where Nvidia stock crossed under on the MACD down here. You see that cross under? I circled it. There's the big red candle, and boy, did we have 6 months of downside. 6 months of just bleeding out. And everyone was scared. And then it got real cheap to $10, and look at that huge run to 150. So that's the bear market, that's the bull market. Look at the candles here. You see that? You see these candles with all these wicks? Buyers are struggling to get this higher. And if we get that cross under, welcome to a bear market, my friends. You're going to be seeing a lot of red on the left-hand side. So that's why I'm saying, if you're looking to invest in SoundHound, let's wait and see if the hype dies down and it comes down nice and cheap once everyone starts selling off. That way you get cheaper. You know, it's about getting the best bang for your buck. If you're just going to day trade it, obviously you do what you want. You know, just take advantage of the pumps if it breaks out. And if you're swing trading it, just wait to see where it bottoms out here. Just wait to see where it bottoms out. The hype cycles rinse and repeat. Just like the bear market and bull market cycles rinse and repeat. All right. So don't be scared. Be grateful if we do get a bear market. It's nothing more than an opportunity to add nice and cheap. You will not believe how many people looked at Nvidia and thought, oh my God, it's the end of the world. It's at $10. It's going to zero. And then they were kicking themselves when it ran in the bull market to 150. There's a lot of potential with the bear market. That's when you really want to double down and buy in on your favorite stocks. I believe in the Warren Buffett method of, you know, buy good companies at cheap prices. They never get cheaper than in a bear market. So be ready, guys. I'm not saying we're going to go into a bear market, but I'm just saying there's a warning shot here on Nvidia failing to create that higher high. That marks a bull run. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next SoundHound video.
Well, what are you going to do about this stock?
I'm keeping it. I'm going down with the ship.